what we've accomplished so far. Right now we have all of our safeties that'll indicate with all the switches in the up position. As soon as I turn on, we're going to get a warning.
Welcome to Ethos. Switch warning.
So now we have to go through. We can either delete it or we have to put them all where they belong,
aileron,
down below.
Mid-rate, aileron, low-rate, elevator, mid-rate, elevator, low-rate, ignition off, stabilization off, rudder, low-rate.
900 mega RSSI, critical warning. 900 mega telemetry lost. Mega telemetry recovered.
Okay, now that all our switches are in the default position, so we can take off, turn down the receiver. Now we're sending data, so we know we're good. So let's go to make sure everything's working right. Our ailerons, we have 4 servos, 1 for each wing, two servos per wing, and they should work in opposite directions, which they do. Let's go to high rate.
Aileron,
There's high rate.
Aileron, high rate.
So if we move them that way, now I don't know if the gyro set up perfectly or correctly because it's not in the airplane, but if we turn our stabilization on high, we're getting the ailerons moving and they're moving it all in the correct directions. Okay, let's do the same thing for the elevator.
Elevator, mid-rate, elevator.
There's our 2 servos working for the elevator. Let's make sure we're working with that. That's correct. Let's make sure our rudder works.
Rudder, mid-rate, rudder, high rate.
And we have stabilization on the rudder. Can't guarantee that it's going the right direction. We have to do that when we have it in the airplane. So the next thing would be to make sure that our stabilization, we have 2 levels. When the switch is up that way, that's our high rate. Everything seems to be functioning properly. When I drop it back, it goes down to the low rate, and all the way back
Off.
should be off. We can move it, and it ain't doing crap, and we still have control of everything. Okay, so we know that's functioning. The other thing that we have that's nice is this is a TDSR12, and it has a set of 900 antenna and the 2.4 to give us a little redundancy. I took a TDMX receiver. No stabilization these things don't have. They don't have any stabilization, but through the S-bus, this was an S-bus out, and it goes into pin 1, which is S-bus in, and we now have tandem receivers, or dual receivers, whatever you want to call it, and they're functioning, and there's a test for that. I don't want to do that now, but you can make sure it works. Well, it'll be easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbind this. Right now we have everything working. So if we go into system, and if we go to the TDMX and unbind it, so you see the blue light, we're going to unbind it. This is not bound to the transmitter. Everything's working through this now. That's working correctly, that's working correctly, and it should work, stabilization work correctly. So we're set up pretty good so far. Okay, now we got to go back and rebind this. We'll do that later. But so far, so good. That's where we stand right now. Okay. There you go.